Aloe vera recipes that are good for your skin. Aloe vera has been dubbed as the plant of immortality back in the days, which is not surprising since this succulent plant has been found to contain numerous health benefits, and one of them is actually good for the skin. It appears that aloe vera is useful when treating burns, acne, stretch marks, and the like. It also has the ability to nourish, moisturize, and soothe the skin. What's great about the gel of the aloe plant is that it can be applied on your skin directly without worrying about any side effects. You can even mix it with other ingredients too if you like to boost its efficacy. If you want to make some DIY skincare recipes using aloe vera, you might want to check these ones out. Anti-aging eye cream. Signs of aging usually appear around the eyes, which is why this is a good recipe to try out. For this eye cream, you will need a tablespoon of pure aloe vera gel and a vitamin E capsule. Prick the vitamin E capsule using a pin, then squeeze the contents into a small bowl. Add the aloe vera gel in it and mix it properly using a spoon. Apply a small amount of the mixture on the skin around your eyes. This should be done every night before you go to bed. Face cream with aloe vera. Another way for you to use aloe vera is as a face cream. In this recipe, you will need a cup of aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons of jojoba oil, 5 to 8 drops of essential oil of your choice, half a cup of coconut oil, and 1.5 tablespoons of beeswax pastilles. To start, you will need to heat the beeswax, jojoba oil, as well as coconut oil in a double boiler while stirring from time to time until the ingredients have combined. Pour it into a glass blender and let it cool completely. Use a spatula to scrape the sides of the blender to loosen it up. Run the blender on low while slowly pouring the aloe vera gel. Stop occasionally to let the ingredients to mix. Continue scraping the sides of the blender while whipping the contents until you get a light and fluffy texture. After all the aloe has been added and blended properly, you can add the essential oils: aloe vera, honey, and rosewater mask. Another way for you to use aloe vera is to create a face mask to ward off acne. In this recipe, make sure that you use raw honey that is grown locally, as it will help soothe your skin. You will need a tablespoon each of pure aloe vera gel and organic raw honey, as well as 1 to 2 teaspoons of rosewater or organic lemon juice if you don't have rosewater available. Get a small bowl and mix all the ingredients in it until you create a smooth paste. Apply it afterward on your face and leave it on for 20 minutes. Rinse it afterward using warm water. This face mask needs to be done at least 3 times a week to reduce the effects of acne. These are just a few examples of aloe vera recipes that you can prepare to help your skin look and stay healthy. What's great about aloe vera is that it is completely safe to use and that you can repeat these recipes as many times as you want. Whether you will be treating acne, soothing your irritated skin, or you just want to keep your skin smooth and healthy, these are all great choices to use.